Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you have changed a page link or deleted a page, setting up a 301 redirect helps protect your SEO. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add a 301 redirect in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, the usual stuff. Go and look for webflow.com. Tap on the link, then use your email address and password to access your own website. So as you see guys, we have our website here. But we really want to go and check the project settings, so we're going to come back here and tap on site settings. It will take some time to upload, but it's basically totally alright. Now we have multiple options such as icons. As you see, we have this Webflow logo, web clip, show this site. We have this real time, basically collaboration, site activity, and all of this information. We also have publishing. As you see, you can tap on publishing. You can even see the 301 redirects. Redirect all links to new ones manually or in bulk with CSV file. You can also redirect multiple links to a single one with wildcard rules. This helps preserve your SEO ranking, as I told you before. So it's time now to enter your old link, add the old page patch without the domain, then enter the new link, add the new destination patch, then save the changes. Tap on save, then publish your website, since redirects only work after publishing. You can also use the 301 redirects for permanent changes. Avoid any redirect chains and also double check the spelling and sashes. And that's it, so thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.